Welcome to Trading HT. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. We are in the daily time frame of KULR Technology Group. Very interesting chart, as you can see right here. I have pasted very key information, I think, in my opinion. Let's talk about it a little bit later. Also, we have the key facts like right here. Let's go with them. Latest updates of this stock. On January 22nd of this year, KULR Technology Group Inc. filed a Form 8K with the US Securities and Exchange Commission announcing a collaboration with Scripps Research Institute's Barron Lab. Alright, so let's go into further details of this piece of news thanks to Dow Jones Newswire right here by Chris Wack, and we have this stock shares were 10% higher at $2.64. Sorry, I think this is from yesterday, yeah, if I'm not mistaken, at the market closing. Right now we are at 2.46, so a little bit lower from that exact level. And we have right here, they announced this collaboration. They entered into a collaboration with the Scripps Research Institutes, etc. The two parties jointly developed the electrode as a low-cost, versatile alternative to traditional amorphous carbon materials such as reticulated vitreous carbon and glassy carbon. Okay, if you are expert in this sector, please share the information below. The things that we have here is like they are collaborating with this research institute, and apparently that was something to be announced for this company, but we can see in the price action. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. It started to go a little bit lower since this key level right here. It was trading around $5.50, and from there it started to go lower. Let's see the exact percentage of this kind of correction. More than 60% to the lower side. Wow. To current prices, minus 55%. So key question, guys, do you think this is a correction or is this the start of a crash? How do you see this, as an opportunity or a trap? Let us know in the comments below. Very interesting. As usual, all the opinions are welcome as long as you pace them with put them with respect and with honesty. Let's go honesty. Wow, what a good word. We like that in Trading HT. Let's go with this piece of news that we have right here. They have made significant moves in this cryptocurrency market also, and expanded its partnerships in the defense sector. The latest developments, let's go with them. First, we have the Bitcoin investment expansion. They have increased their Bitcoin holdings according to this information. If you have different data, please share it in the comments below, to 510 Bitcoins with a total investment of $50 million. The company purchased these Bitcoins at a weighted average price of more than $100,000 dollars per Bitcoin, including fees and expenses. Wow, very interesting, because they are buying at these prices of Bitcoin, so maybe they expect that Bitcoin price could go a little bit higher, so or even higher than this, of course. So how do you see the situation with the cryptocurrency market? Also, I think that's a very interesting topic. Do you think the cryptocurrency market is going to go even higher, or do you think it is overvalued at this point? Let us know that in the comments below. Then we have the second key point right there, US Army collaboration. This company KULR has announced a partnership with the US Army to evaluate its KULR Vibe system for vibration reduction on this type of helicopters and this type of vehicles of the US Army. So very interesting. This is a 12-month study set to begin in 2025 and aims to improve operational efficiency and safety. So the same, if you have more information about this, please share it in the comments below. And how do you see this situation about these collaborations? Then we have more data about the initial Bitcoin purchase. On January 21st of this year, they completed its first significant cryptocurrency investment, purchasing the half of those Bitcoins that we saw in the first key aspect for approximately 21 million at an average price of $96,000 per Bitcoin. So very interesting. They started at that price and they continued buying at even higher prices. So how do you see, why do you think they are doing so, and how do you see this investment from this company and in general the crypto market the cryptocurrencies? And let's go also with the last thing, New York Exchange American compliance. KULR has successfully regained compliance with all NYSE American continued listing standards as confirmed by official notice from the exchange. So very interesting. We have a lot of information right here, and also from the chart it's interesting to notice like they made new highs, at least since 2019, the data we have right here. At this point it was new highs, and from there the price started to correct with this movement of more than minus 50% to the lower side. So I think this is a good moment to ask you this question: do you think this is an opportunity to buy this stock, or is it a trap, or maybe a different scenario? As usual, everything is welcome here as long as you provide it with respect. Let's go with that. Also, I want to show you the forecast that we have right here from Wall Street analyst. Let me go with that very fast right here, and we have three analysts, not a lot of them, but just the perfect mix to have three different opinions. And you know, the maximum is at $7 at an upside of more than 180% from current price. The average between these three analysts is 4.22, so plus 72% from since current prices. And then we have the minimum one, 0.65 cents. Wow, minus 73% from current prices. Wow, so very interesting. A lot of well, a big difference, you know, because from $7 to 65 cents. So how do you see this forecast from Wall Street analyst? In which direction do you agree more? Do you have a different opinion? Share that with us in the comments below in Trading HT community. And also, I wanted to show you the seasonals chart for this stock, because I think it's very interesting. I have the data right here since 2020, and you can clearly see like the years, middle years have been similar in ways, you know, more positive or negative, but the percentages were between minus 50 plus 50%. But the interesting thing is 2024 was, wow, what an incredible year from the year-to-date perspective. Remember, this chart shows that data. And, you know, it had a peak of more than 2,500%. And from there, it ended the year with 1,800% more or less. Then we have another positive year, 2021, 93%. But then we have also the data right here, all the negative years. 2020, minus 2%, an average year, we could say. Then 2025 has started with a minus 20%. We will see how it goes, so you can place the forecast below also for the year-to-date perspective. 2022, minus 56% more or less. And 2023, minus 84.71%. So, of course, we have a very good year, 2024, a good year also 2021, but also other years that were in the negative territory. So how do you see the situation right now for this stock in 2025, and even for a longer term if you think about it? Let's go. Trading HT, honest traders. If you want to share something else about this stock, please let us know in the comments below, as we are not experts, but we like to comment all the stocks that are being talked about in forums, in trading websites and all that, so we can share information with you and you can share your information with us, and we can all learn together. Trading HT community, let's go, let's grow this amazing community of honest traders. Thank you very much, have a nice week. Check out our videos right here, subscribe, hit the like button. A lot of actions, I know, but it helps a lot. Thank you very much, we love you, bye bye.